Hey guys, it's Girl4. So I haven't been posting for a few days, and I'm like, okay, I need to start posting videos, so I'm going to make a video. Sorry about the fan in the background, it's cold in my room, so that's actually a heater going on, but yeah. Today we're going to be reacting to HowToBasic, how to stop snoring. So yeah, let's get started. Gotta turn on my screen recorder. And make sure it's recording. Okay, let's get started. What the heck? Why is it this? Oh, okay. Oh, wow. Okay. Yep. You always gotta have the edge. Always gotta have the edge. That probably feels weird. Oh. Yeah, okay. This is actually pretty funny. Well, they're all funny, but normally I don't laugh in these videos. So yeah, that was HowToBasic, how to stop snoring. I hope you guys enjoyed. I will also be posting more often, but due to school and stuff, that might be hard, but yeah. Recently my boyfriend wanted to know when my next video would be. I told him I didn't know, so I'm going to try to post daily. That's probably not going to happen, actually. I was thinking about posting at least one day every week, but like schedule changes and stuff. So yeah, but I'll pretty much post whenever I get the chance. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I love y'all. Make sure to like the video, comment down below any video requests, and subscribe. I love you guys. Bye!